What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Just Talk Smith channel. If you clicked on this video, you're probably looking for a bed cover for your truck. So this is a sponsored video. I want to go ahead and say that. I'm not being paid to say anything good or bad about this cover. They just sent it to me to do a review on. Like, it was free. They sent it to me. I'm doing a review on it and giving them honest feedback of what I think about it. So this is a very affordable Yitamotor tonneau cover, however you say it. I've ran other Yitamotor brand stuff in the past and done videos on their headlights. Great quality, still holding up. So I'm sure their bed covers will be the same thing, but a lot of people have big misconceptions with sponsored videos, thinking that I get paid to do these or something. I don't. Usually the time the products are either free or discounted, and I'm still allowed to give my honest opinion. Like, I'm not selling out or anything. But it's just a bed cover, guys. So we're going to go ahead and get into unboxing this bed cover and showing you everything that comes with it, what it looks like, how it works. And I already done a video on a Tiger Auto bed cover, and I really enjoyed it, but it actually ripped a little bit, like where it folds down. So I removed it, and Yitamotor had reached out to me on doing a video on some running boards. I already had running boards, so they were like, do you want to do a video on a bed cover? So that's why there's a bed cover here now. I still have to take my bed off completely. I'll be removing this. I'm just doing this for the video's sake. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this, and then we'll get it installed, unfold it, fold it, see how it fits, how it looks. I'll show you guys everything. And then I have to take this thing back off whenever we do the video, removing the bed and undercoating the bed and all of that stuff. So anyway, guys, I'm going to throw up a little time lapse here of unboxing it, and then I'll show you guys kind of what all comes in it. And then we'll get to installing it. Let's go. Alright, guys, so we are in the bed of this truck, and the instructions say to literally just lay it up here. And these little like angled brackets, they go in like different notches, so you just want to put them in like whatever notch it kind of lines up with. So I've got that one in the far notch and that one in the far notch. I guess it could go in that middle one too, but I've already got it right there, and I've just got to pull it right back off. But ideally, you probably want that more straight up and down. So just like it says right here in the instructions, place cover on assembly on the front of the truck bed rail. It's got pictures, everything. Make sure it's the right length, obviously. Then you fold it back up. Well, I could turn the page. Then you literally just put this right here. So see, they don't want you to have it too far up in there or too far at an angle. But if it's at an angle and hooked in there properly, it's okay. Or if it's straight up and down and hooked in there properly, it's okay. So there's literally, it's hooked in there just fine on that bed rail. And you just tighten that down. And I'm pretty sure that's it. I think we have to do something like at the end, but I'm pretty sure like it's on here now. And I think these are what like locks it and unlocks it. So we can unfold it. So the piece in the middle for the front trifold is going to be the same way. So we'll pull this up, push it over. So this right here will just adjust, and the tighter you adjust it, the tighter this clip is. So you would like turn it and tighten it and then put it on, or you can loosen it. So you literally just spin this until you get it the desired tightness. And I think that's all that holds it. So like whenever you would want to flip this part up, you would just flip that. Same thing on the other side, you'd flip that one, and then this piece would fold. Alright guys, so there's also a latch on each side right here at the end. So whenever you want to pop this bed cover open, you just grab that quick latch. It's actually a pretty clean design. I'm not sure if they're all made like this. My last one was just a roll up. So it wasn't made like this. I do like that the Yitamotor logo is just in black and white. The other logo was in blue. My bed cover right here. So it was in blue, so I kind of didn't like how it was in blue. But yeah, overall, this bed cover looks really, really good on the truck. And as far as like the material of the canvas or whatever like the actual cover's made out of, I think it feels about like the last one, and it lasted really, really good. I mean, it's literally right here and it's still perfectly fine. Where it folds down, it got a rip like right here. So this one, from where it doesn't fold in that spot with so much tension, I say that this one will last a lot longer, as long as it's just as good of quality. So here it is with the tailgate up. Really, really good fitment. And this is definitely like a bed cover that you can move left to right and kind of play around with the fitment and fix the Velcro all down evenly. But like I said, I'm just filming this video just to bring you guys some good content, and a link to this bed cover will be in the description box down below. This fits like almost all Super Duties because the beds are pretty much the same. So I will link this down below. I wanted to add one more thing before I wrap this video up. The install of this thing, as you all just now seen, no tools needed. So that's pretty cool. The last one that I installed, I still think that I only used like a 10mm and a Phillips head screwdriver, which is minimal tools. But this one is toolless. So if you ever want to remove it completely, those little clamps on the side, you literally just bend them up. They're like quick release clamps. So I will say that the install, 10 out of 10, super easy and very, very quick. So I wanted to add that in here. But overall, the quality of this bed liner is really, really good. And for the cheap price that these are running right now, it's kind of hard to beat them. Yeah, you can go here and buy a $400 or $500 bed liner, or bed cover, sorry, and it would probably be a little bit better quality, but it's also quadruple the price. You know, you could go through 4 of these bed covers before getting to the price of like a really, really expensive one. So if you're on a budget, then these are definitely a good option for you. If you just want best of the best, top of the line, the clamps and everything, they feel a little bit cheap. So that would be one thing that I would say is kind of a disadvantage to this. But as far as like the canvas material and all of the metal, like framing and everything, it's all aluminum and it all feels like good quality. So the clamps I could see like breaking over time when like a more expensive bed liner may have aluminum clamps or something. But other than that, that's pretty much the only negative or downside that I could see. But again, it's like $200 or $300 cheaper than like probably, I don't even know if the expensive ones have metal clamps. I'm just kind of making a guess that hopefully they do. If they cost more, they would have metal or aluminum clamps, because these are plastic and I could see those breaking. But anyway, guys, like I said, if you're on a budget, I approve of this thing for, I think it's like 100 and something bucks, like in the high 100s or middle 100s. And that's with shipping and everything on Amazon. You'll be able to pick it up in a link down below. So always remember, everybody starts out as nobody, and I'll see you in the next one.